Today we're taking a look at this torch gun sent to me free of charge for this review, and I tell you what, this is a ton of fun. So I just wanted to go over some of the features and how this torch gun is going to work so you can decide this is what you're looking for, whether it be to sear food, burn leaves, and other things. There's going to be multiple uses for this torch gun. So starting out, first and foremost, the most noticeable thing that is really neat is that this looks like a gun, and the way you're going to ignite it is actually with a trigger. So we have a 1 pound propane tank on this gun. It's just going to screw into the bottom, and then to ignite it, you're just going to let out a little bit of gas till you can hear it and pull that trigger. So this is a super powerful torch gun, and one thing about the trigger is you just have to press and release. You don't have to hold on to it in order for it to work, and then to turn it off, just turn the gas down. So with this does get very, very hot. It's going to get up to over 2,000 degrees. So it's going to be able to be used for a variety of different things. Like I said, whether you are burning leaves, if you're melting snow, you can even use it for cooking purposes if you want to sear a steak and things like that. So this for me was a ton of fun to use. So if you're looking for the perfect gift for someone, or if you're just looking for a torch with a little bit of fun added to it, this right here is definitely a great choice.